Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I can tell you this unboxing is probably going to be a hoot. Anyway, I'll explain in a second, I guess. So I was not planning on getting a June box. I'm going out of town here soon, and then I'm going to be pretty much gone for the rest of June. But at the end of my checkout on the last one, they gave me a free fix. I'm not quite sure why. I did end up buying that green top. And when you kind of rate things, I didn't really have anything bad to say because I truly liked my preview last box. And on paper, I liked everything. I know I feel like I irritated some people, but I'm myself. And I think most of you are here because I'm myself. And so short of just lying and being falsely positive, I don't know. The only thing I could have done differently in my last unboxing was refilm the try-on, but I don't do that. Whatever you see, 99% of the time is my first go around. The only time I redo something, is generally on like the weight loss videos. If I feel like, I want to really make sure like I say things in a certain way. But those 3 tops that everybody really liked, I did try on 3 times total. The next day I tried them on again. And had I filmed the try on then, I could have articulated better why I didn't really love these pieces. The first teal top that was like no sleeves, I really did like it. But when I tried it on again, it just clung to my stomach a little bit. And I know on camera, you're probably not seeing that, but when I sit down, it was too tight. The coral Daniel Rain top, I loved on the second try on, but it was so chintzy feeling. And for $59, I want better quality than Walmart. I did end up keeping the green top, and it'll be fine. But in reality, should I have returned it? Possibly. I will get my use out of it, but it's not like I just love it. So I said yes to a free fix, and it was a quick turnaround. I couldn't say no to a free fix. The preview they sent was pretty much nothing. I just didn't like anything. And I think they had time to do a second preview, but they didn't. Today is Friday, and I'm filming on Friday. The guaranteed date was Tuesday. So I think we could have done another preview. Sadly, they didn't. I asked for tops, dresses, and maybe an accessory, and maybe that was my problem. So I'm hoping that things look differently. Sometimes they look differently than they do on the picture. But in the picture, they sent me these earrings that are lime green pearls. The purse they sent just doesn't look like me, but you never know. They sent a dress that, again, in the picture doesn't look like something I would pick. So this is going to be a hoot in that I feel like there's only 2 pieces that are possible. So this is sort of a wild card stylist choice sort of box. So I don't know. Anyway, I'm always going to be honest. I'm not going to just be blatantly positive and like I lied. That's just not who I am. So we will see. So here is the bundle. And you can see the pattern of the dress. It has a lot of white. So theoretically, that would be not for me. If I kept everything, which I just know that's just not going to happen, would be $274. So, they sent a pair of Kate Spade earrings that were on clearance. $30.97. It does have a Kate Spade bag. If anybody lives near an outlet mall, and I really don't know how like other states are with outlet malls. Probably California is just luckier than most that we have a lot of outlet malls, and they are lime green. Oh gosh. I mean, we can go to a Kate Spade outlet like 40 minutes away, and they have a bunch of stuff in the $30 range. I'm sorry. Oh gosh. These are just not me at all. They have like the Kate Spade. And then they're like a yellowy lime green. I don't know. Lime yellow. I don't even know. Those just are not me at all. If they were a regular pearl, they would be closer to something I would wear. But I don't even know the purchaser at like Stitch Fix what they were thinking. And I'm sorry if you love these. I'm not trying to be offensive. They're just not me at all. What would I do with lime green pearls or yellow pearls? I don't even know. So this first one is just an automatic no. Clearly they're on clearance for a reason. I just don't get it. So these are definitely a no. And then the purse, I think is on trend, but I don't think it screams me. And the price is what gets me. Sorry, this is the BCB Generation Faux Leather Bucket Bag, light blue, $88. I think it's the $88 that is really throwing me. So I think this is very on trend. I've seen lots of lobsters. I think it's cute for a person who likes this. I like the braided handle. I think the handle is really cute. Unlike that last one I got, it is a little better looking faux leather. This is just not screaming me. There's a ton at the store, like lobster keychains, lobster like shirts. And this is also very tiny. I mean, very tiny. This is as far as it opens. And so I don't like tiny. I don't want large, like super large either. But I feel like I would be playing Jenga in here. Like, it has 3 compartments. And I feel like a lot of Stitch Fix bags have these 3 compartments. I personally don't like that. I would rather have just the entire space to put things and not have to play balance out the sides. So I do think this is very cute for somebody. It is not for me. And I don't think this is $88. I don't know this BCB Generation. Please let me know. Stitch Fix brand, nice brand. I don't know. It doesn't feel... I don't know whether you can hear that. Kind of just sounds weird. This is cute. If it was like $50 to $30 to $50, like, I just don't think, absolutely not. $88, no way. It's just not me. So these 2 things automatically, no thank you, going back. And if you were like me last time and didn't know that you can switch, I did switch, and this is a USPS label. Now, I will say, I forget who it was, the name, I should know. But you were right in that FedEx seemed to be faster for the Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks. So I might have to go back and toggle. When I order something for Shop Your Looks, definitely FedEx was way faster. But on a fix like this, USPS is so much closer and so much more convenient. All right, let's look at the clothes. We'll do the next that I would assume is going to be an obvious no. I just don't like a bunch of white. Maybe I'll be shocked and this will look awesome. I will say right off the bat, the fabric feels... You can almost hear it. It feels weird. So I just am not, like, I don't know. We'll see. I'm interested to see how this pattern... this is a pattern that I would never pick off the rack. You never know. I do think this is a midi length. I do like a midi length. I'm interested to see how it looks. This is Calvin Klein. Dorrit Fluff. No, Fuff. That can't be. No, Puff. The label on here is worn off. I think this has been shipped back a lot. So Dorrit Puff Sleeve Dress. Oh my gosh, no thank you. $149. That's laughable. I also don't like the fabric. I got a Calvin Klein dress a couple fixes ago, and the fabric was just hideous for the price. I'm interested. I'm trying to find the tag of what this is. Here we go. So, polyester and spandex. But there's like no stretch. I don't know. I just think for $150, I cannot see loving this. I would have to love, like beyond the moon, love it to keep it. I just don't think I like the pattern. But for $150, I can almost guarantee you this will be a no. But I will try it on and give it a fair shot. Now, let's go to 2 things that are more possible. This first one is a black tank top with a tie in the back. It kind of has not Swiss dots, but kind of like a faux Swiss dots. I don't even know if that's showing up in the viewfinder, there are little dots. It's kind of almost like a mesh on the outside. Especially if it had like a little cap sleeve. I know I like black on me, so black is good. So Laceron Bombi Texture Dot Knit Top, $39. I did size up for this fix, so this is an extra, extra large. I felt like a bunch of the things didn't fit quite how I wanted them to. So we will see. This one is the most potential. And then this one was the second most potential. This was the CC. I haven't had good luck with CC, but this one seems better fabric. This is like a true kind of sweater. And I do like navy. I like navy on me. This has like little kind of, I think, puff sleeves. It has a pearl in the back. It looks, at the moment, the pearl is sewn backwards, but hopefully just somebody flipped it around. I will say the sewing of this seems very cheap. At the moment, the pearl is facing the wrong way. This is $59, and I don't, oh, so the button is just the pearl. That's interesting. And it feels like this is going to fall off in a hurry. I don't know. I'll put that back in a second. So this does look like something nice-ish, but I don't know if it's $59. It's just a blue sweater. I don't know. Anyway, so we will try these on. I will give it a fair shot. This was just sort of a hoot. I don't know. Green earrings, $88 purse. I don't know. Anyway, I'll give it my best shot. We'll try on the 3 things and maybe we will love them. I don't know. But I'm always going to be honest. And if you don't like that, I don't know. Don't watch me, I guess. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the CC top. And I like the sleeve length. Not necessarily for summer. This is definitely for work. I like the navy. The pearl button's kind of lost on me because you're never going to see it. At work, I would wear my hair down. I don't mind it at all. It definitely could be a top I could wear to work. I don't mind it. This is a size extra, extra large. I would be interested in how the extra large would fit, but I do think this fits fine. There's plenty of extra room. So I don't think it's overly big. It's definitely, you know, I feel like a good size. It's $59. I don't know. I kind of am in the same spot as the last fix. I'm only trying to add things that I super love, that I'm super excited to wear. And there's nothing wrong with this top. I may try it on with some pants that I would wear to work. Let me do that. I want to try to give it a fair shake. So let me go try it on with some work pants. All right, I am back. I think it does look really cute. I could definitely wear this to work. I would be interested. Like, this doesn't scream I'm gonna pill like some of the Stitch Fix things do, but I'm like, don't know. Like, I don't know how well it's seeable in the mirror, or not the mirror, the camera. I'm not sure if it's gonna pill. I don't know. I would love your honest feedback. I like it. I think it's a nice top. If it was cheaper, I might get it just to get it, but I don't know. Like, I just, I don't know. I have a navy blue shirt. The sleeves are shorter that I wear that I really like. So I just don't know if it's unique enough to make me get it. Is it nice? Absolutely. Could I wear it to work? Absolutely. I don't know that it's something I need. All right, let's go on to the next piece. All right, I am back. I think this is the Laceron Swiss dot top. I will say the sleeves, I feel like are like, I don't know why they sort of, it seems like they angled them in. I would love like a sleeve. I do like the black color. It is like a mesh. You really can't see the dots. Again, I have no real complaints. It looks fine. I could absolutely wear it. I sort of wish it had a sleeve. So if I love the top, I ignore that it shows my arms. My arms are absolutely not my favorite thing, but that doesn't stop me. So once again, I don't mind this top. Definitely in this one, very glad I have the extra, extra large. The extra large would have definitely been too tight, in my opinion. So I believe this is the cheapest of the 3 pieces of clothes. This is $39. I just don't think I need it. I don't know. So I don't know. I feel like I took a risk because it was a free fix, but at the moment, I don't know. I think this is definitely a no for me. It's a little boxy for my liking. I would prefer a sleeve. Again, not bad. I like the color. Let's try that crazy dress on. I cannot imagine I will like that dress $150 worth, but let's give it a whirl. All right, I am back with a Calvin Klein $150 dress. It is just not my favorite pattern. I don't think it looks bad, but I don't like a bunch of white. I don't mind the silhouette, but once again, definitely the extra, extra large was the way to go. It's kind of clinging right here. So I'm not sure I like this particular panel. Again, I don't think it looks bad. If it was a different colorway, I could give it a true test, but I don't really like the colorway. I do like the sleeves. I like midi length or like fuller length dresses. Personally, I think shame on Calvin Klein. The last dress I got was just this super stiff, heavy polyester, and this is like some sort of like almost crepey polyester. And I feel like for $150, can we have something better than polyester or a better feeling fabric? So I don't care enough about Calvin Klein. Nobody knows I'm wearing Calvin Klein in this. So I don't think this dress is personally worth $150. Again, I don't think we'll ever know for sure how well I like this dress or not, because I'm just not that big a fan of the pattern and sort of, again, this blocking here. So this dress I kind of knew was going to be a no-go. Is it terrible? No, but I don't even really like it. I don't like the pattern. Let me know. What do you guys think? The navy blue top, the black top. I already kind of know the black top's not it. I kind of feel like it's probably all going back. The navy blue top is cute. I do like it, but I don't really think I need it, and not for 60 bucks. I mean, plus tax is probably like 64 bucks. If it was 20 bucks, I'd probably get it, or 30 bucks. And it's not really even about the money per se. I could buy a $60 top. I just don't like it enough for that price range. So let me know what you think. I thought it would be fun to get a free fix, and we did. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.